Hi friends, today we are going to solve Huffman decoding problem from the interview preparation kit of tree subsection. So the given problem statement is basically a tree would be given and all the edges would be numbered by 0 and 1, and the leaf of that tree would contain a value or a string, and all the rest other which are not the leaf nodes would contain an empty null value. So you have to print all those values that are present there. So that's the entire thing that you need to do. So it's kind of a big problem. I would want you to go through it, but if I keep on reading the entire section, it would take a lot of time. So we could read this. Let's just look at some example, right? So in this problem statement, when the value is 1, then the user is moving to the right child of the root. So when the value is 1, it's moved to the right child of the root, and there they encountered A. So A is A comma 3. Now when the value is 0, it is moved to the left child. So it is moved to the left child, and again when the value is 0, then we are again moving to the left child. So from 5, 2 and 1, and they would be encountering B here. Now again, when we move to the right child of the node, we encounter a leaf node with a value. Okay. Then again after 0, 0, there is 1. So again, we are moving to the right child and we'll be getting A. After that, when the value is 0, we move to the left child. And then another value is that 1. So when you are getting 1, we'll be basically getting a value C. Similarly, for the last value of 1, we are moving to the right child and we'll be getting A. So the basic problem statement is that number would be given 0 and 1. So 0 means left child and 1 means right child until we found a leaf node. And once that leaf node is been found, we'll be again returning back to the root. So this is the entire problem statement. So first, let's assign root to, let's not assign anything. Let's check with this. So for each in S, so S would contain that string. So let's assign node with root. Node equal to node dot left if each equal to 0. So when the value is 0, or when the value is not 0 string, not 0. So when the value is 0, we'll be moving to the left side, else we'll be moving to the right side. That's been discussed. Else node dot right. If not node, so the question is that what does this mean? If not node, so what is this used for? So this is basically is to check whether we are at the leaf, we are in the leaf node position, because as you know the leaf node would not have any left or right values. So there won't be any left and right values. We could basically identify that this is a leaf node. And once we reach that, so we'll be printing it node dot data comma end. So as you know, the output string will be requiring in a particular format, so without any spaces. And when this is done, we'll be assigning our node to again back to root. So that's the idea. Let's run the code. It is kind of pretty simple problem. Although if you go through the problem statement, you would feel like it's very complicated, but in reality, it's not that complicated. Most of the problems that I think would take time generally is solved in quite easily. So let's submit it, taking some time. As you can see, it passed all the test cases successfully. And as always, I keep on reminding you, do comment below these codes and do check out all the important playlists that I've created. My entire goal is to create more and more playlists to bring to you much more content regarding problem solving in HackerRank, because I feel that HackerRank platform is quite good. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned.